Hey, good morning to everybody. It's St. Patrick's Day and happy St. Patty's Day.
By the time we're recording it.
Today we're gonna make mushroom soup. So these are the ingredients. We need butter, we need chicken cubes,
Cut in quarters.
parsley, salt, pepper, onions, champignons de Paris, mushroom,
optional,
and optional some white mushroom. We have some sep here, and we got our 2 containers to do the chicken broth, and we got our mixer. There we go, and we have our pot. All right, let's get cracking. You put about 60 grams of butter. Wait until it melts. We're gonna add the onions. And
wait until it's soft and translucent.
alright, soft and translucent. Onions are ready. We add the mushroom. Mix, and I definitely forgot to slice one up. Add about half of the white mushroom because the white mushroom tend to be a bit stronger in taste, so we don't want to put the whole thing. We'll keep it for another time. And we wait until the mushroom give out some...
lose their water.
Yeah.
For 8 minutes.
There we are. After 8 minutes, as you can see, the mushroom shrunk. Wow, we lost
So we got
a lot of the water. So now we're gonna add 4 cups. And each cup, there's a quarter of a cube of chicken broth. So with 1 cube, you mix it with 4 cups. Here we go. 1 cup. 2 cups. 3 cups. And 4 cups. One more ingredient before it boils. You add the parsley. Yeah. You wait until it boils. When it boils, cover it, lower the heat, and simmer for 45 minutes. There we are. 45 minutes after, mushroom have been simmering in water, so we're gonna blend it. Yeah, I I don't recommend doing it in a blender because the pressure of the hot soup in the blender makes it go everywhere. We tried it; it's a big mess. So we're just gonna be using hand mixer. So, and then we'll show you what it does after the blending. So after blending it, you can see the consistency of the soup, much thicker. Nice. Now we're gonna add, we're gonna simmer a bit more. Add the salt and pepper and a dash of port wine. Salt.
Your hand.
Hey, pepper. And then the port wine. I'll go get it. It's gonna be a dash because I don't have much. Oh, that's good.
No.
Stir.
You let the alcohol boil away.
Yeah. Yeah. Increase the heat a bit so the alcohol will evaporate. And when it comes to a boil, about 2 minutes.
There's the finished product. Serve with bread. Subscribe.
And give thumbs up!